Hi heroes, it's Denise with the Nightingale Virtual Respiratory Care, and today's tidbit on boosting your immune system is food is medicine. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables gives us nutrients that are important to the immune system. Aim for 5 to 7 servings of vegetables and fruits a day to get the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may support immune health. Eating healthy fats, after all, not all fat is bad, and we do need fat, but the healthy fats like the omega-3s found in olive oil and salmon are the good-for-you fats that reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation can reduce your immune system. Avoid alcohol. Over time, excessive alcohol use can weaken the immune system by making it harder for the immune system to gear up and defend the body against harmful germs. If you do consume alcohol, do so in moderation. Limit sugar. Consuming added sugars to our diet contributes to heart disease, obesity, and glucose intolerance. Sweets are treats and should be treated that way. So treats are best consumed occasionally. And now I know the holidays are coming up and we want to have our pie and cookies and candies, and that's great. That all brings back happy memories. And I certainly will be having my share of treats. But you do want to limit them to just the holiday and not make it a holiday week, a holiday season. We want to kind of keep that in check. You also want to drink more water. Now, I know some of you may be on a fluid restriction by your healthcare provider, and then certainly you do whatever your healthcare provider tells you to do. But if you're not on a fluid restriction, drinking extra water will help, because water helps the body to work correctly. So also, as an added benefit of water, it helps to thin the secretions. So if you're having a hard time or you've got a lot of thick secretions, this is going to help you to be able to thin it out and cough them up. So keep watching for more boosting your immune system tidbits, and bye for now.